in mining contracting and having a strong contracting department. I think I have noted this, and once I'm confirmed and sworn in, I should be able to.
If you are confirmed, not once you are.
Okay, if I'm confirmed, and then we should be working together, yes, Honorable Chairman,
absolutely,
to expand these ideas so that then we are able to gain a lot of prosperity in our country.
Yes.
On the aspect of decommissioning,
we have. You have not answered about decommissioning mines.
I think
before you answer that, Dawood wants to ask something about FLOSPA.
Thank you, Chair. CS nominee, there is in the Carrier Valley, we've got Kenya FLOSPA Company Limited, and on 23rd of September 2022, it has been gazetted to be dissolved, or dissolution of that company, of Kenya FLOSPA, together with the other companies which are there. Do you think, if you are confirmed, will you be able to look into it and reverse those companies which are beneficial to Kenyans?
Okay, the issue of decommissioning, I think I had said, Honorable Chair, that within the law we have a process when mining is complete, then there are processes that have to be followed, and part of it is environmental protection, part of it is their social issues, because they normally do a social impact assessment, so then we measure them, within those parameters, so that we're able to decommission. Mheshimiwa Rahim, I want to assure you that this issue of FLOSPA, even now I don't have details. It is a matter that we can work together, get the details, and make proper recommendations on how to move forward.
You have 3 minutes to tell us your last wish. Bwana Mvurya, what do you want us to do with you and for you?
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairman and members. And I want first of all to thank you for this discussion, which has been very fruitful. Secondly, is that I've been a leader in transformation, I think, from my experience, and I'm appealing to this committee to find me suitable to serve in the Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy, and Maritime Affairs. I think the last is a question, maybe to the chairman, Honorable Chair. Maybe I also want to ask this committee, what is that one expectation you have on the CS Mining, Blue Economy, and Maritime Affairs?
To create wealth. We told you you are a wealth creation ministry. We expect you not to dish out mining licenses to friends and foreigners for free. We expect you to protect local interests of Kenyans. We expect you to act as a nationalist, not a sectarian king. We expect you to do many things. You are very successful as a governor in Kwale. We expect you to transform and translate that success to the national arena. Yes, Ishungwa?
Chair, maybe if I could just add to that, Governor Mvurya, when he served as governor, he was called mtenda kazi. So tunatarajia utakuwa mtenda kazi ukiidhinishwa kuwa waziri. Vile ulivyokuwa mtenda kazi kama governor, uwe mtenda kazi kama waziri.
Okay. And I must salute you for your humble positions. A governor of 10 years, to have what you have said you have, if you have told us the truth, also reflects well on you. Thank you, Governor. Thank you, Waziri nominee. We wish you well.
Thank you.
You can now take your leave.
Chair, on a last point of order, now that you raise that issue of the net worth,
yes,
is that your individual net worth, or could there be other assets held in the name of your wife or wives?
And there's that, I think the question here is you are net worth. Also, is individual net worth.
You may have other properties and assets held by your wife or wives.
No, if they are held in those names. No, they are not mine. They are not mine.
Okay.
So, Honorable Chair, thank you very much. I want to confirm to Honorable Ichungwa that yes, it is possible, and I'm ready to transfer the skills that I had in serving the people of Kwale to the national level, and that you can count on me. Thank you very much.
Well done, and we'll let you go to your other duties. Please, if you are confirmed, serve Kenyans well. As it is now 1:06, we have 2 to go. Huh? Your clerk tells me lunch is served, so I'll give you 30 minutes to have a quick lunch and resume at 1:36. 1:36. 30 minutes only lunch break. Yes.
Luoko lwedo seche duto godiochieng' ber, to onyalo bedo maber moloyo kinde ma tuo moro